It's called Greenland, but where's the green? Welcome to the world's largest island, a land of ice, mystery, and breathtaking beauty. From ancient Inuit traditions to climate change's frontline, this is Greenland like you've never seen before. Let's begin. Greenland spans over 2.1 million square kilometers. It's massive. Yet, over 80% of it is buried under a thick ice sheet. This icy blanket is so huge, it holds nearly 10% of the world's freshwater. If it melts, sea levels would rise by over 7 meters. Yes, Greenland isn't just remote, it's powerful. Despite the harsh climate, around 56,000 people live here. Most are Inuit, descendants of the Thule culture, who've adapted to Arctic life for thousands of years. They hunt, fish, and navigate frozen landscapes with skills passed down through generations. Greenland's capital, Nuuk, is home to about 19,000 people. It's a small city, but a hub of culture, politics, and survival. No roads connect Nuuk to other towns. Travel here means flying or sailing, no highways, no trains. Step into a Greenlandic home, and you'll find a mix of old and new. Families cook traditional dishes like swasat, a soup made from seal or whale meat. Kids go to school, but also learn how to hunt, fish, and respect the land. This isn't just survival, it's identity. Greenland was a Danish colony for centuries. Today, it's an autonomous territory under the Kingdom of Denmark. It has its own parliament, flag, and prime minister, but Denmark still controls its defense and foreign policy. Many Greenlanders want full independence, but it's complicated. Greenland is rich in natural resources, rare earth minerals, oil, and gas lie beneath the ice. But digging them up threatens the fragile environment. And as the ice melts, more land opens up, along with political and economic tensions. One of the most stunning sights in Greenland is Ilulissat Icefjord. Massive glaciers crack, crash, and flow into the sea. It's nature's drama in slow motion, and it's disappearing fast. Scientists from all over the world come here to study climate change in real time. For centuries, dog sleds were the only way to travel in winter. Today, snowmobiles and helicopters have taken over, but sled dogs are still part of life in many villages. These dogs are tough, loyal, and built for Arctic survival. Some Greenlanders believe they're better than any machine. The northern lights dance in the winter sky. In summer, the sun never sets for weeks. Imagine a land where day lasts all night and night can last for months. This extreme light cycle affects everything, from sleep to mental health. Inuit tattoos, throat singing, and storytelling are making a comeback. Greenland's youth are blending ancient traditions with modern life. Music festivals, hip-hop in Greenlandic, and Instagram posts from icy cliffs. It's a unique cultural fusion. Greenland is also home to unique wildlife. Polar bears roam the ice, musk oxen graze the tundra. Whales glide through icy waters. It's a fragile ecosystem, but one full of life. Getting to Greenland isn't easy. There are no direct flights from most countries. Tourism is growing, but slowly and carefully. Visitors come for hiking, kayaking, iceberg watching, and silence. Yes, silence, the kind you only hear in the Arctic. Daily life here isn't easy. Groceries are expensive, internet is slow. But there's community, pride, and resilience. People help each other because they must. In recent years, Greenland has been in the headlines. Superpowers eye its location. Climate change makes it a global hotspot. But for the people who live here, it's home, not a chessboard. So is Greenland just a frozen wasteland? No. It's alive, ancient, and awakening, a place where survival isn't just a challenge, it's a way of life. Greenland, it may be white, not green, but it's one of the most colorful stories on Earth.